Guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another airdrop. You can claim your free airdrop from here, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are freeware on our website, and let's get started. This is the airdrop. If you're in this airdrop, link available in description. Click the link. After clicking the link, this page will come here, and just click three dot in here and just click copy link. Okay, after copy link, just go to your Trust wallet. And your Trust wallet, first of all, go into down below. Okay, into down below the app, click the app and come up in URL, paste the link. Okay, after pasting the link, just click enter to enter the page with the Trust wallet. Okay, after entering the page, after opening, just click in the Ethereum, just click BNB Smart Chain. Okay, and after that, just click claim airdrop. In here you see the airdrop wallet address. Okay, the contract address, just click the contract address, as just close it the page and come the wallet and come in the three dot and paste the contract address in here. And after that, just click enter, just click add a custom, just go to Binance and paste the contract address in here. Okay, that's it. You can just paste the contract address to find a coin with the same contract address. Then go to the app again and open the website. Do you copy and come here? Okay, and that's it. That's the first step you do. The next step, after you choosing your Binance wallet address and come here, just click claim. Okay, just click claim, wait few seconds for you show you a connect option. You can connect it and then show you this page and just click approve. This transaction make $1. Okay, just I click approve and paste the password and wait few seconds, and that's it. Okay, and just click close, and I close this one and come back to Trust wallet. This will take a few seconds, not much more, or few minutes. Okay, you can see it's added to this will I buy it. Okay, just I close it and I just come down in the meta. Okay, I did receive. Okay, right now you can see I received this much amount from this website, from this airdrop. Sorry, from this airdrop I received this much amount. This is one of the highest amount I received from this coin. After 60 days, this will be call it a just a simple price. This will be take, and after that I know what's the price and how much I earn from that. Okay, that's it guys. This cryptocurrency link available in description if you want to claim. If this will be launched, if this will be 1 cent, you earn $8 million with just a second. Okay, and after this listing, I will be share with you how you can sell this one easily. Thanks for watching guys, and bye bye.